Hey everybody, how's it going? Doing a little bit different of an intro here just to kind of let everybody know that this video is not the best in the world due to the wind. It was a high level of wind there yesterday and I just had to try it to go fishing. I'm making some new lures and I'm dying to experiment, but pretty limited on time, so I kind of got to take what I can get. I did catch a few fish. I only got, I think, one of them on camera, but we did get out there, we did try, and any bad day of fishing is better than any good day of working, I always say. So hope you can enjoy what little there is to enjoy about this video, but I thought I'd throw it out there and keep it real. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.
What a bad day to fish, if there is such a thing. It's so windy, I doubt anybody will ever hear me. Come out to the lake today, see if I can maybe find a crappie. Completely unfavorable conditions. Water temperature 68 degrees, that's nice. The wind is absolutely howling. So I'll get over here in this inlet where it may be calm enough to tie on the lure. I'm here to try out my new crappie lures, mini stingers. On the way over there, I'm gonna see if I can mark any crappie. Mark out, make out that graph, but I didn't actually see a few fish. So if we can find a tight storm of crappie, we might have a chance. But this wind is going to be brutal today, so hang in there and we'll see what we can get done. Well, it looks as though I got lucky. I actually had one of my poles already rigged with the jig head. This right here is the mini stinger. You can see that this way has a lot of action and this way is paddle tail. We're going to kind of vertical jig over these fish. See if we can't talk one of them into bite. First time I've ever used this lure, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be amazing. This time will tell. It looks to me like we're fishing about 5 or 6 foot deep. That action was amazing, so just throw it out there and see what we can do. This wind is crazy today. It's a beautiful place. I got no business being out here. It's unfishable. We'll go out here and use the wind to drift. I actually caught a fish. Lo and behold, it's a crappie. That answers that question. Maybe we will catch something. We'll get out here and just start drifting. Try to play this wind to our advantage. That's about all we can do. Hopefully get into some nice ones. Like I say, I went over several fish. I like to have a little bit of wind to save battery, but this is a little bit silly. We're in about 11 feet of water. Should be the right depth. I would think. I'm gonna change my tactic a little bit. I'm gonna do a slow reel on these fish, see what happens here. Maybe able to manage my depth a little bit better. Maybe neutralize the speed of the wind. This pole is not casting worth a crap. There we go. We'll let that sink down. I haven't tested the sink rate yet, and I do know I've got an 1/8 inch, or an 1/8 ounce, I'm sorry, jig head on. I'll just try to slow roll right down this bank. See, just like that, we're already off the spot. This is going to be very, very challenging. I think what's going to happen is I'm going to have to troll into the wind, because this wind here is just unmanageable. Yeah, a little on the windy side. I didn't know it was going to be this windy. My house, it was fairly calm. Having any luck? Yeah. I think I'm just going to drift with the wind. Definitely going to have to set up for this higher wind condition. The fish look like they're out here too, so just drift with the wind and add some weight to this lure and try to get it down there. I've seen a lot of fish over towards the bellies. Try a different method here. I may just add a split shot to that, I guess. This wind's carrying us so fast I can't keep the bait down where the fish are. So I could use a bigger jig head, but I don't really want to. I'm just going to add some weight. Here's the new packaging. See if I can find me a down to the desired depth. Keep it there. Just let that drift, see what happens here. I don't know. This wind is severe. Stick all these things under a bobber. Alright, we got a slip bobber with a jig on it. The jig's a little heavier. I like this and the wind one jigger for crappie a lot of times, but I mean this wind is excessive, so no promises here, just gonna try to see what happens. And at the very least, it'll be rigged up for next time I go. This wind is crazy. I'm sure this video is complete garbage due to the wind. Probably won't be able to hear anything. But we're out here, so try to make the best out of it. See what happens. Over here it's about 10 or 11 feet deep, so I'm going to start at 6.5 feet deep with my lure, hoping the crappie will strike up at it. They seem to be right around the 6-foot mark, so I may actually be a little too deep, but I don't really anticipate having much luck anyway. This is my last ditch effort before I leave. My boat charger, I guess, fried somehow. I don't know. It malfunctioned. My battery's low. Luckily, this is a tiny liquid, so we'll give this a try, then we'll head out and see what happens. I did tie a loop knot on the jig to give it more action. Them waves really get that lure bouncing. We'll get over here where there may be some crappie, maybe not. Give her a whirl. I'm sure we'll be going Mach 2 with this wind. All you can do is try.